uDAB allows to integrate digital radio in your car by connecting it to the car socket while maintaining all USB functions and with real-time audio. Kit contains uDAB module, T-harness, USB rec adapter, USB COM adapter, fixing Velcro strips, and plastic ties. DAB antenna is not included in the sales kit, but you can buy it separately. Let's install the system, as example, on a Renault Captur of 2017. First of all, please disconnect the car battery. Then, remove the car radio frame, using extraction tools and taking care not to damage the surfaces. Please also remove the radio block and the support frame. Once identified power supply and speakers radio connectors, please connect T-harness, USB COM, and USB rec adapters to the appropriate connectors of the radio. Now, please attach the DAB antenna to the car windshield, as described in the instructions guide. Then, connect T-harness and adapters to the appropriate connectors and the DAB antenna to the SMB socket of the module. Now, please place uDAB module in a suitable location, replace the radio block. Reconnect the car battery. Installation is done. Let's configure the system. First of all, please turn on the radio. In the main menu, please select the voice media and then USB source. The first available digital radio station will start playing. In the voice folders, it will be displayed a list of the various muxes available in the signal coverage area. By selecting a station of interest, you can listen it immediately.
Fenomenologia di Berlusconi, Carlo, tu hai capito che ieri Berlusconi quando stava.
In the folder System, there are some setting options, such as Firmware, to display the installed software version, Scan, to scan the available stations, uDAB Fast, to manage fast audio, uDAB Mid, to manage medium audio, uDAB Slow, to manage slow audio, external USB, to manage external USB key, Vol-Prof 0, to manage high audio volume, Vol-Prof 1, to manage low audio volume. After selecting the voice scan, uDAB will do a scanning for about 1 minute to update the list of muxes and available digital stations.
Della tua auto si potessero non solo piegare, ma anche rimuovere, spostare, ribaltare, traslare. Geniale, no?
By selecting the mux and the station of interest, you can listen it immediately.
E con tutta la tecnologia di cui hai bisogno. Nuovo Skoda Karoq, genio e regolatezza.
All the digital radio stations will be displayed as MP3 files.
Come l'Ugurol fai poi. Ugurol! Ugurol! Marco da Truccazzano, che è un altro posto da quelle parti.
Vicino San Donato, vicino Melegnano.
Anche lì forse.
Certo.
By pressing track buttons, forward and backward, you can scroll through the various stations. uDAB is able to maintain all the USB functions, as for the OEM systems. Once inserted a key in the folder system, please select the voice external USB. Playing will start in a very short time. Thanks to uDAB, there are no loading or playing audio delays, so you can listen to your favorite music, as always, but with DAB+ digital audio quality. uDAB also has an excellent power amplifier, providing 40 watts per channel in Class AB.